I have found honey mushrooms. Honey mushroom armillariella mella. And this is the large brimmed. I've tried two types. Something that's much smaller than this, that gets a maximum size of about these 2 inches. I don't like the smaller ones, but this seems to be an off branch of the armillariella. This is a large one, and although there's a couple speckled spots of spores, this is the perfect time to eat it. This is when it's fullest in flavor. And I also got some oyster mushrooms, you can see it there. But this is the armillariella, the honey mushroom, western honey mushroom. And there's several types. Like I said, this is the most flavorful, especially when you get large caps, like this one and this one. And these guys were just growing out of a large log. I have prepped a sauce for the garlic, and I'm just slowly simmering. You can see it's just like barely sizzling away. I'm kind of infusing the oil to get an extra strong garlic infusion for this garlic sauce. And I recommend cooking the honey mushroom in a garlic sauce. Now remember, there's 3 types of mushrooms that look like a honey mushroom, and if you can't identify it, don't eat it. And not all of the honey mushrooms look this way. So I'm going to continue slicing. I'm going to slice off the stem, and then I'm going to slice lengthwise. And very similar to the shiitake mushroom, for good luck, I'm going to slice the longest possible slices that I can get out of the mushroom. So I'm going to slice for the length. So I'll put the longest end to end and slice that way. And it's good luck for a long life. And let me finish up some of these, and let's move on to cooking. Okay, I'm going to just turn the heat up. Now that I've cut more mushrooms, I've got a large amount of mushrooms there ready to go. I'm going to pour off this garlic. Add a chunk of oil or butter, but this is coconut oil, extra virgin, GMO free. It's great because it has very little flavor. It contributes to the overall flavor of the dish. Get that up nice and hot. Smell of the toasted garlic. I'm going to turn this down to medium low. and give our sauce a stir. So there's the garlic. The toasted garlic is in there. I've also got vegetable broth and cornstarch. And there's also a lot of liquid that the mushroom itself contributes. I have rice ready. And this does not take long to cook, as you can see. It's almost done. It takes about a total of 5 minutes of cooking time. After 5 minutes, I'm turning up the heat and I'm going to add a splash of white wine. I'm using white cooking wine. About 2 to 3 tablespoons worth. And now the garlic sauce. And I'm going to need to add some water. So with cornstarch, it's hard to get the perfect amount so that this doesn't happen to the sauce. This might be some too much cornstarch. It's now at this time you put your black mushroom sauce, which this is considered like a shiitake mushroom sauce or honey mushroom sauce like I have here. You take this and set it aside in 1 cup servings or half cup servings so that you can use it. At this point you would add your other mushrooms, seitan, tofu, tempeh, or meat. Lightly braised golden brown tempeh squares in this mushroom sauce, mushroom garlic sauce, is excellent. And if you want more recipes, check out my cookbook. You see, it's all come together really. It's ready to be used as a sauce. And I'm going to just use it right on top of some warm rice. have a suggestion for your honey mushroom. Armillariella.